I'm actually really inspired and dare say excited about the possibility of doing a pre-launch and see what kind of wait list we can create. I'm a big fan of impending events. So if we have a course date announced and we have people signing up for it, then that really puts the pressure on to get it produced, developed, and delivered. So I work pretty well under those circumstances.
Yeah, and actually that's really how it's been for me. It's like really jumping on the sword, deciding, okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get people to sign up. And if they don't, I have not wasted too much time on it. And once you have a group, then it's been inspiring also to create the content week by week, because it's like getting on this journey with people, and based on their questions and the interaction, what is it that they really need? And then I can adjust, which I have done. I don't know if you've noticed it, but the week descriptions, I have altered them. Not completely, but I have tweaked it as we've moved along, because I saw other things were needed to be added to it. The thing to know is that it takes time. I have spent at least one day a week preparing for these. And then there's the editing afterwards. So that's another half day at least to do that. So it is quite labor intensive, but it's rewarding because you have people that you're presenting to, and you know that it is helping to create all this content for not only this course, but other courses as well. And then for posts. So it helps with that feeling of purpose, really.